Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about a legitimate home business opportunity for 2019. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products I believe will help you make money online or from home and which ones will not. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this legitimate home business opportunity. You may have heard about this before, but in case you have not, I may give you some ideas of how you can use this differently. The idea is to build websites for people and also promote niche funnels using Builderall. Well, first of all, what is Builderall? In case you don't know, it's a software that has everything in it. You can design websites, there's videos, apps, webinar, everything that you could ever want for a business as far as you can create a blog, sales funnels, email. It has an email autoresponder in it as well. But what you want to do with this Builderall is, first of all, it's going to cost you some money, and it's $49.90 a month. That's it. And if you think, wow, I can't afford that, if you're a grown adult and you can't afford $49 a month, you need to start doing something differently. And you also need to start thinking differently, because if you think, I can't afford this, you're always going to have a situation where you can't afford something. So you should ask yourself, like, how can I afford this? Just one idea of way you could get it. Of course, you could cut down on like Starbucks or whatever you're spending your money on. But you could also just say, hey, I'll clean your house once a month if you'll pay me $50. You know, you can go out and find the money. So that shouldn't be an issue. $49.90 a month. Okay, so let me show you what you can do with this. First of all, you can go out and find clients and build websites for them. But it's not like you have to learn a bunch of technical skills, because Builderall is very easy to figure out. Let's see, that's the pricing I wanted to show you. Okay, the tutorials here. You'll go in here and it'll basically, you can search anything like how to create a website here. They've got all the training videos on that. How to use the autoresponder. There's tons of videos on that. Just anything that you want to learn. You don't have to try to figure things out on your own. There's a tutorial for every single thing. So you can learn it yourself with the tutorial videos on Builderall, and then go out and find clients. And you can find, I'm going to show you here in a minute, people will pay several hundreds of dollars for you to create a website. So you could do that through Builderall and then have them have their own account through Builderall that you can earn residual income. You can learn how to market yourself with the same thing with bonus videos. I'm going to show you here. When you sign up for Builderall through my affiliate link, you're going to get this training website with Chad. And Chad is now the marketing director of Builderall. He's done so well. Chad Bartlett, I was trying to think of his last name. So you're going to get this training site here, but he has two videos. One of them is to promote niche funnels, how you can do that. And niche funnels are right here, where you can go out to local businesses, and you can find them online. You don't have to necessarily go out, but you can. But you can see that there's all these different niche funnels, and he shows you exactly how to promote that, because a lot of businesses may not have their own website, and they don't want to do it themselves. So you can see that there's all kinds of niche websites in here, you know, realtors, pet shop, all kinds of niche sites. So in this training site, he shows you how to promote the niche funnels, And then also building websites for people. And there's a free traffic method that he goes over on how to do this on Facebook and going to local Facebook groups, local businesses. So that's going to be a bonus that you get when you join through my affiliate link. And then you can charge a few $100s to create a website or a blog, but then outsource the work so you don't actually have to do it. So what you can do, okay, like I said, if you're going to be promoting this as an affiliate, which is what you want to do to create this residual income, it's going to cost you $49.90 a month. But when you go out and create these websites or blogs or different other things for businesses or marketers that don't have this, you will create a site, a Builderall account for them, which is $29.90. Okay, so that's going to be your residual income. So they're going to continue to pay this every month because they have the hosting for their blog or their website through Builderall. Okay, so what you want to do, if you do not want to do this yourself, you can go out on either Fiverr or Upwork and just post a job and say you need a website created, and then when you have your outsourced worker creating that website, they'll just go through the Builderall account of the person that you're creating the website for, and then you just pocket the difference. So if you charge them like $300 to create their website, and then you go to Fiverr and hire somebody for $100, then you can make $200. Or even if you go to Fiverr, you can find people for less than that. So you just have to see like what they're willing to take as far as the job. So again, the client will have a Builderall account, so that's how you earn residual income. We'll go over the income here in just a minute. But the whole idea is that you find people who need a blog or need a website, need a lead capture page, and you create that for them, and then they have it hosted through Builderall for the business account here for $29.90, which is like hardly anything, to host a website or a blog. So you might be wondering, like, where do you get clients? Well, one place you could go is Craigslist. People will advertise on there that they need a website built. Another great place is the search feature on Twitter. So you just go to Google and type in search.twitter. And this is what I would do, is go in here and type something like, I need a website built, and then you're going to click on latest here, okay, this person I guess decided to do it themselves, but you can see that people are saying that they need, I need a referral, a girl of mine wanting website built suggestions. This was just December, this was yesterday. So you could direct message this person and tell them what you have to offer, and you can get clients that way. Also, you can go to Facebook local business groups, and that's what Chad talks about in this training here, building websites for people. He shows you exactly how to do that, how to get clients. And then you can also go to Fiverr and create a gig on Fiverr. So let me show you. If you just go into Fiverr, that's Fiverr.com, and type in website design, you can see how much people are charging to create websites. Like this person, $250. So you can go in here and see what some people have put for their gig. Like this one's $490. But I also found here, this person is using Builderall to create funnels and websites. I will design all types, and they have 3 orders in the queue, so they're obviously getting some business. And you can see what they have done here. They go all the way up to $245. And you can see what she wrote for her gig, but I think the reason she said, please contact me first before placing this order, is that she is going to have the understanding that they're going to have this account here to host it, the $29.90. Okay, so that's probably why she has that in her description there. And then I saw there was another person. Let me see if I can find it. Anyway, there's another person that has Builderall, same type of thing. So that's another great way. I guess you don't have to say Builderall, you can, but you just want them to contact you ahead of time so that they know that they'll be charged this, they'll be having an account through Builderall to have their hosting for their website, for their blog, or whatever it is that you're creating for them. So that's basically the idea, is using the software to create, a lot of people need blogs. You could do that. There's a lot of different types of blogs in here for local businesses or all different kinds of things. But let me talk about the income opportunities. Let's see here. Okay, so let's just say maybe you found even 10 people a month that you're going to create a blog or a website for, and they'll have the hosting through Builderall. If you had 10 a month, okay, the first month you're going to get 100% of that $29.90, and then every month after that you will get 30% of that, so roughly around $10 a month. But this is residual income as long as they are using that to host their website or their blog, which they will if they continue to use that. So that would be like for a month, that's not bad, $149 for residual income. And if you're going to do that, let's say 10 a month for a whole year, that would be 120 hosting through Builderall, which you're going to receive 30% of that. So initially on all of those accounts you would get $5,988, and then residual would be $1,796. So that would be a good chunk of change, rather than just going out and creating a website and selling it one time. But that's not only not to mention as well, if you're going to charge to do that, which you will, maybe a few $100s. So on top of that, you're going to be getting a few $100 residual. Well, not residual, but every month you're going to get paid on that. So this is just an idea for you guys, a way that you can make not only upfront money, but you can make that residual money. That's really important, because you work hard for what you do. You want to continue to get it paid over and over and over again. That's how you get ahead. That's how you get your bills paid. And you have money left over every month. But this is something where you don't have to recruit anybody if you don't want to. I mean, if you want to refer other people, obviously you're going to make money doing that as an affiliate. Let me show you, because if you did have some, let's say some of these people that you referred were affiliates, and just looking at, if they just did a little bit, your earnings are really going to go up every month. And if they went out and did the same thing, helped local businesses, helped people, network marketers or affiliate marketers to have their own blog or website, then you can see how that could really, really grow. So hopefully this all made sense to you. It was kind of a lot, but this is a legitimate business opportunity for 2019. Hopefully you found value from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you do want to join Builderall through my affiliate link, like I said, there is this bonus here of this website, a training website that Chad put together, how to get to $2,000 per month recurring. There's a lot of funnels that you can use. that are really good as far as the promoting the Builderall as an affiliate, free Facebook traffic promotion, how to use direct messages and Skype call scripts to follow, how to use YouTube for Builderall. Like you could do a lot of tutorial videos on Builderall and start to build a following on YouTube. Not to mention that as you continue to grow on YouTube, you can do the Google AdSense and you can earn residual money from that. And then, so this is the first bonus, and he's going to show you in the second part of this how to make a full-time income using the Builderall tools. Okay, so that's all in here. The second bonus is with Marissa Romero, and if you don't know who she is a digital nomad. That's what she calls herself. This is her Instagram, and right now she's in Colombia. She does a lot of traveling, and a large part of her success is due to YouTube. And so the other bonus that you'll get if you join through my affiliate link is her Tube Traffic Domination. And it's going to show you how to craft the perfect video, how to leverage the YouTube algorithm, how to attract high quality leads, make videos quality and professional, and monetization and analytics. So those are all the things I've went through. This is a really great course, and a lot of my leads and sales come through YouTube. So this would be a great way, in addition to creating websites for people, to also promote this as an affiliate if you'd like. So again, if you join through my affiliate link, you'll get these 2 bonuses. Again, this is going to be in the link in the description below this video. That'll be the first link if you want to go ahead and join Builderall. You can check that out. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.